Hello YouTube, this is a 2018 fireworks stash for New Year's. I'm going to start off with the punks. First of all, there is a jumbo one and a regular size one. These are pretty nice. They were 10 cents each. Next, we have some old bamboo sparklers and some bottle rockets in a bag. Here, I'll get some out. There. Here's the sparklers and bottle rockets. And over here, there's a ton of morning glories, 20 of them. And next, there's some red and green Roman candles with supports. Now these are nice. We got a good deal on these. We got some jumbo sparklers. If I take one out, they look like this. Pretty heavy. And over here, we got a mixture of ground bloom flowers. We got an exploding one. We got some normal ones. And in the bottom, we got some flying ones. Oh, these are pretty fun and cheap. Next, we got some B3 bombers and a box of poppets, a tiny fountain, and a spin world. B3 bombers are awesome because they're like flying ground bloom flowers with firecrackers. Over here, we got 3 boxes of poppets. And above them, there is 2 boxes of Piccolo Pete's from TNT. And a Good Time assortment. Basically a good assortment because it comes with a ton of fountains and mini fountains. Over here, we got 2 neon forests, and I love these. I'll read the performance for you. The performance is lemon, purple, white, gold, and blue color, flower sparks, and silver crackle. I love them. They're awesome. Now we're starting to get into a little bit bigger stuff. Back here, we have some Saturn missiles, a 4-pack of 25 shots, and we got some artillery shells by TNT. Here's the effects, and behind me, there's some mini canister shells. These are kind of scary because they go kind of low. Over and our finale, Mighty Python. Looks pretty good with the effects that it shows. And one of our pre-finales, or semi-finales, is the Excalibur shell kit. It's just 1 pack. It's a quarter of the pack. Should I take the tube out? Okay. And I'll read the effects for you. The first one, the red one, is crackling. The blue one is red and white glitter. The third one is red, palm, and green glitter. Third one is red and green. Fourth one is brocade crown and white glitter, which is my favorite. And the yellow one is green and white glitter. That is it for our New Year's fireworks stash, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye!